Hey everyone, in this session on techniques to improve concentration, we will focus on the first technique, which is be here now. Cautionary note, please remember the techniques we are going to discuss in this session and later are well known and effective techniques, but they will be effective for you only if you consciously practice them on a regular basis. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. We will discuss several techniques for your benefit. You can select and practice one or all as per your need and situation. Ready then? Let's start with Be Here Now technique. Be Here Now technique is a simple yet one of the most effective techniques of concentration. This technique helps you to bring yourself back to the present moment. Keep your thoughts from wandering away or going astray. Focus on the task or work at hand. When to use this technique? Be Here Now technique can be used anytime, anywhere, for any task or in any situation. You can use it when you are studying by yourself or listening to teacher in class, performing on stage, participating in a debate or quiz competition. Try it when working on your hobby or listening to music, even while watching TV. Let's see how to use Be Here Now technique. Learn to notice or be conscious about your thoughts wandering away. Say to yourself, Be here now. Gently bring your attention back to where you want it. You may notice that your mind often wanders, as often as several times in just a minute sometimes. Each time, just say, Be here now, and refocus. We sometimes try very hard to push away particular thoughts or avoid particular thoughts. But do not try to keep particular thoughts out of your mind. When you try not to think about something, it keeps coming back. When you find your thoughts wandering, gently let go of that thought and say, Be here now. Simply return back to the present task. Let's discuss some examples or situations where you can use Be Here Now technique. Let's say you are completing a project and you start thinking of some important call that you are expecting. You realize that your mind is wandering away. You are not concentrating on the project. Don't force the thought away. Rather, just tell yourself, Be here now, and focus back on your task. Another situation could be you are announcing on stage and you start thinking about your performance being bad. You start thinking of people's reaction to it. You may actually start making mistakes. So just say to yourself, Be here now, and continue your announcement. Another situation could be you are on a task that requires absolute focus, or else you could hurt yourself. But while on it, your mind starts wandering to an interesting event coming up. You may lose concentration and slip or not perform well. To avoid that, simply bring back your attention by telling yourself, Be here now. Now the question is, how often must you use this technique? Some tasks are easier to concentrate on as compared to some other tasks. You may need to use the technique many times for some tasks such as studying, listening to your teacher or reading. Whereas when watching TV or working on your hobby, it may not be very often that your thoughts go wandering. You might do this more than 100 times in a week. Don't worry, it is normal. But with constant practice, you will find that the period of time between your straying thoughts gets a little longer every few minutes. So be patient and keep at it. You will surely improve. In the next session, we will discuss few other useful and efficient techniques to improve concentration. If you have devised your own techniques or ways to concentrate, do share with us. Also write about your improving concentration and its effects in your Emojo. See you soon. Bye-bye.